Hello, my dear NEET PG friends. Dr. Dhawan here, your ENT faculty. I know we are 2 weeks, 2 days away from the NEET PG examination, and at this point, I'm 100% sure that a palpitation would be audible without even a stethoscope. That's normal. But few humble suggestions to you. Number one, let us be a warrior now. A warrior doesn't mean that you are only full of strength. Warrior means that you know your strength and your weaknesses too, but still you commit to play very well. You want to excel in the exam in the given capacity you have, but with a stable focus on what examiner is asking without predicting the outcome of the exam. That's very, very important. It is doable. Only thing is you have to channelize your energy that way. you know Let us not miss the words all are true except not applicable to, and etc. Those are silly mistakes. We can avoid that. And on that day you would need to assess a lot of data, so that you should be actually having stable mind. Okay, I do not know everything about everything, but I know adequate enough to really do well in the exam. But only thing is, in that anxiety, in that anticipation of something going wrong, we end up doing more wrong. So from today onwards, let us commit to ourselves that we would change our mindset in such a way we will play the game without really worrying about the outcome. And if we start practicing this right from now, 16 days away from the exam, believe me, on the exam day you would definitely be in a better state. That is for sure. You must do 3 GTs in the remaining period, and these 3 GTs are mainly for the time management, that up to what time you should have finished how many questions, so that towards the end of the paper we are not in a hurry. And I'm sure you're going to really do well. I'm sure really going to really have a very mature, very stable approach without having now comparisons with the other friends and fellow beings. Just do your level best with them. Okay, and I'm sure you're really doing to really do your level best on the exam day. We'll be in touch. We'll have more session like this in the coming days. Also, we'll plan a Zoom session or a YouTube live session in the coming days. We are together, and we are going to give it a really, really smart, a tough, and a very stable fight on the exam day. Okay, thank you very much. Best of luck.